Do you want to share your Power BI reports with anyone that you want for free? In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can do it. Stay with me until the end. So I received a few questions asking me about how can I publish my Power BI reports and share it with people for free. There is a solution inside Power BI that are 100% free. When you create your account in Power BI services, everyone gets access to My Workspace. This My Workspace works with free license. You don't need to pay to use it. So it's 100% free every time you create your Power BI service account. Okay. So inside here, I will publish a dashboard. So I have here a dashboard. I'm gonna publish it inside my workspace. Okay. I'm gonna select and publish. Let's just wait a few seconds. Okay. Now let's go back to my workspace. When I click in my workspace, let me just refresh it here. As you can see, it created a semantic model and a report. Okay. I'm gonna click in my report. It's gonna open the same report but in Power BI services. And I'm gonna go to File and Embed Report. Here we have a few options, and the one that I want is Publish to Web Public. When I click here, it's gonna give us a message. Get a link or embed code that you can include on a public website. You may use the public to web functionality to share content on a publicity available website. Okay, so what's basically is saying that this file will be free, available in all internet. It's gonna generate a URL, and this link, everyone that have access to it will have access to the dashboard. So if you click continue, it's gonna say to not publish sensitive data. So if you have sensitive data of your organization, sales, orders, revenue, employee names and data, you do not use this to publish. The intent here to use for web for free is to put data that anyone can have access, that it's not gonna harm your company or yourself. Okay, then I'm gonna go publish. Here it's gonna create an HTTPS URL and a HTML code that you can use to embed inside another site. Okay, so let's just copy here my URL. Gonna open a new tab and click it. And here it is. It created a public link that anyone who has access to this link will have access to our report. It will work the same way that a report inside Power BI services, but in a public way. So you can send it in an email, publish in your LinkedIn, publish in another website, and so on, so on, so on. Okay? But before we finish, so if you want to use this public to web, you need to have this option enabled in your admin portal. So how can you do that? You're gonna go here in the settings and go to admin portal, and you're gonna filter here by public, and this is the option, publish to web. So you need to select publish to web and enable it. Okay, you can enable to the entire organization or just to specific security groups if you want just a few people have this functionality available. Okay, so if you don't have access to the admin portal, you will have to ask to the IT guy or someone who has access to it to enable for you. Okay, But just remember, this is a good option when you want to do freelance and you want to share your portfolio with someone, publish your portfolio in LinkedIn. If you work in a company, do not share sensitive data with this option, because anyone in the internet will have access to that data. Okay, just be careful with that. So, what do you guys think of today's video? Let me know all in the comments below. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. I see you guys on our next video.